A cylinder suddenly falls. Its compressed air escapes with a violent hiss. Luckily, the workers make it to the protection area just in time. Even routine handling of pressurized equipment demands vigilance and clear escape protocols. A simple mistake, leaving wood in a rotating motor, leads to dangerous kickbacks and human hazards. Never leave loose objects near rotating machinery. One slip can turn into a serious injury. A massive crane loses balance while carrying over its standard weight. What happens next is a dangerous crash. Always respect load limits. Overloading cranes is a shortcut to disaster. A worker witnesses the force of an extreme tire explosion. Never inflate tires without proper caging and always maintain a safe distance. Before anyone enters the line of fire, always ensure you isolate and dissipate all stored energy in factory equipment. Stored energy can be invisible, but deadly. A welder climbs on top of a transformer for hot work when it suddenly erupts. Never weld on sealed or energized equipment. Transformers, especially large industrial units, can retain combustible gases or electrical charge even when offline. Finally, isolate and dissipate all stored energy before anyone enters the line of fire. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. And always remember, Grandpa's got you covered. See you in the next one.